Welcome to Eagle Z. Get ready to dive into the exhilarating world of oversized load transportation. We're about to reveal mind-blowing techniques for moving massive loads. Let's get started. It's absolutely mind-blowing to watch the massive CAT 797F with an operating weight of 1,375,000 pounds being transported on city streets by Volvo trucks. This might be part of the mining equipment transportation contract for Finding Chile by TX Group, showcasing their commitment to the mining industry with efficient and safe logistics solutions. It's like witnessing parts of the Autobots from Transformers come to life. Talk about adrenaline to the max. The legendary Mack R600, the best truck in history, loaded with wood in Honduras. Watching it leave the hill, trailed by a D5 tractor, really highlights the danger and skill involved in one of the world's toughest jobs. Hair.
Two escorts, the bucket truck, two city
Buckingham's 2020 Kenworth W990 hauling a massive transformer on a Trail King. 19-axle trailer is a sight to behold. With years of driving Kenworth trucks, I know they handle like a dream with minimal issues. But it's absurd that the only route out of the Port of Baltimore for oversized loads is so challenging. That transformer must be packed with a ton of copper to need 19 axles. The Volvo 40 articulated dump truck was stuck deep in the mud, and just when it seemed impossible, the bulldozer showed up to pull it free, turning a dire situation into a jaw-dropping rescue.
Whoa. Look at Sticky Doo.
Witness the beast in action, the CH-47 Chinook, a powerhouse tandem rotor helicopter developed by Vertol and manufactured by Boeing, is one of the heaviest lifting Western helicopters. Named after the Native American Chinook people, this engineering marvel showcases its might as it effortlessly hoists heavy machinery into the sky. Witness the raw power and struggle as a custom-built 6-cylinder Hyundai Daewoo turbo-log truck gets stuck in the mud. This homemade beast, designed for hauling timber in Vietnam's steep, mountainous terrain, meets its match on a rainy day. Truly, this scene captures one of the most grueling and challenging jobs out there. Witnessing Rolf Riedel Transport's operation to pick up the massive Bauer BG-18H rotary drilling rig from Poliums is truly impressive. Using the robust MB4160 MP38x4 Titan with a Newtboom 2x4 low loader, they navigated the tight City Nord construction site at Kapstadtring in Hamburg. The precision and skill required for this complex haul is a testament to their expertise in heavy transport logistics. Oh my goodness! Is there something wrong with that heavy truck or its driver? Wow, witnessing Max Gall transport a 165-ton autoclave for the German Aerospace Center in Stade was jaw-dropping. The MAN 41.680 TGX, paired with an 18-axle Goldhofer THP trailer, skillfully navigated through the narrow streets of Stadterson, crossed the A26, and rolled through Stade's bustling downtown. This massive operation is a must-see for anyone fascinated by heavy transport. Check this out. The Cat 320 amphibious excavators are being launched into the Glomma River in Sarpsborg, Norway. Watching these machines transform from land to water is incredible. The engineering behind these amphibious excavators is truly fascinating.
टोचन करना पड़ेगा भाई, दम तोड़ दिया ट्रक ने भाई, गुटका लगा दिया, गुटका लगा दिया। ये देखो
हरियाणा के पानीपत शहर के अंदर वो पहुंच चुका है और अभी भाई ये टोल पार करने वाला है। तो अभी आप कहाँ से देख रहे हो, तो अभी ये देखो आप ट्रक आ रहा है और टोल को है वो पार कर रहा है। ये साइड में रास्ता बनाया।
The tires of a giant truck rose into the air as it broke down while climbing a hill in Panipat City, Haryana. This 122-tire behemoth had just reached the toll crossing when chaos ensued. The transportation scene here is really something else, and the unexpected breakdown only added to the drama. It's quite a sight to see.
इसको बैक पड़ेगा और अब की बार मेरे को लगता है टोचन करना पड़ेगा। कमेंट पे बता सकते हो, दबा के वीडियो को शेयर कर देना। धन्यवाद।
Trafo transport by Baumann in Halle an der Saale. Oh wow, what an incredible sight. Thumbs up. This power plant step-up transformer usually weighs around 400 tons. Truly awesome. Moving wind turbine parts takes a ton of diesel fuel. Ironic, isn't it? Maybe they should have tried a solar-powered truck. Never give up. Wow, what a sight! Watching the transportation of an 80-ton Boeing 727 through busy, narrow highways is jaw-dropping. This massive move from OR Tambo Airport on a 24-axle Goldhofer trailer is a true spectacle of engineering and logistics. Watching the Cat 637G and 637E leave Central California's SBS Hidden Canyon Quarry after a month's work is mesmerizing. These giants, each weighing 68,040 kilograms and measuring 15.55 meters long, 3.65 meters wide, and 3.96 meters high, make for a crazy setup. The breathtaking road and stunning flycam footage just add to the drama. A stator might not look intimidating, but this one is a beast. At 10.5 meters long, 4.26 meters wide, and 4.54 meters high, it packs 358 metric tons of electrical steel and windings, enough to power a small town. Transporting it 1,100 kilometers through India's diverse landscapes required meticulous planning to navigate the varied road surfaces, bridges, and structures. The 1975 Hayes log truck is truly a masterpiece. Hayes and Pacific built some of the toughest trucks ever, and this beauty proves it. This classic has outlasted so much of the newer stuff. The Bennett family clearly knows how to maintain their equipment. This truck is a local legend on Vancouver Island. Love seeing the self-loader in action and hearing its incredible history. What a gem. In Germany, a dump truck loaded with gravel tipped over on Strasse at 12:30 p.m. when the driver swerved to avoid an oncoming vehicle. The truck veered onto an unpaved shoulder, sank, and slid into a ditch, landing on its side. With the help of an excavator and 2 recovery vehicles, a salvage team emptied the load and pulled the truck back onto the road. Thankfully, the driver was uninjured, and the truck was towed for repairs. What a rescue! Seeing a 105-ton Komatsu D475 bulldozer transported sideways is wild. Every time I loan out my car trailer, it returns looking like it hauled this beast. Note to self, never loan your trailer to these guys. Komatsu's machinery is top-notch, but seriously, a 105-ton machine on a 35-ton low bed? No brains. Those air suspension bags? Gone. Just wow. Craft Dragana, you just dropped the mic on the heavy haul industry. This video is a masterclass in European engineering. Forget long and wide, this is all about compact power and precision. 690 tons of pure muscle dancing on gravel. This is how you move mountains in style. Who needs a gym when you can watch this on repeat? Watching the nearly 150-year-old Kentucky courthouse move is like witnessing history in motion. The two-story, 820-ton building and its iconic dome move just a few feet every 15 minutes. The heavy equipment and specialized supports used by Edwards Moving and Rigging showcase modern engineering's ability to preserve our past. The time-lapse video of this 850-ton historical building relocation is truly remarkable. Thanks for watching. Let us know what you thought in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more thrilling content. Until next time, stay adventurous.